Good morning, class 5. Children, in the previous periods, we were discussing about the various things available in MS Word which we can add in our document to make it more interesting and presentable. So we had discussed various objects like shapes, picture, clip art, etc. Okay, so in the last period we had done till shadow effects. We had discussed about the shadow effects in the shapes section, and this till here we had done, and now we are on page number 50, and we will be discussing about how to select and color objects and shapes. Means how can we select and color the various objects and shapes. So without further delay, let us start. Let us group the three different objects. You can select all of them and stack them together and then group them together as one. Means we will take three different objects because usually many times we need such figures where more than one kind of object is added. So what we can do, we can select all of them and we can stack them together. We can overlap them together and then group them together as one. Then they will start behaving as one object. The following steps are taken in order to group the objects. First, stack them or place them as you would want them to by using key combination. Release the mouse to see all the three objects selected. Means what you have to do here, you have selected these three objects and now you will place them. You will keep them as you want to. Okay, by using shift key. Now release the mouse button means after you have placed the objects, you will release the mouse button. Okay. Now right click on the objects. From the shortcut menu, click grouping option. Means when you have placed them together like this, you will use right click. It will open a shortcut menu like this, and from here you will click on grouping. Okay, first you have right clicked, then grouping, and from there you will search for group. After grouping it will look like this. When all the objects are put together in a group, try to drag and move them. They will move together as one object. See, after grouping this box will come, and now if you will try to drag them, they will move together. If you wish to ungroup the objects, take the following steps. Again, you will right click on the object, click on the grouping, and from there you can click on ungroup option. The objects and shapes get ungrouped. Means here you will right click, here you will choose this part and there ungroup, and again they will be ungrouped. Okay children, so this way you can group or ungroup the objects and they will behave as single objects if you have grouped them together. Now, how to insert symbols? At times we need to insert symbols. So let's see how we can insert symbols like this. Consider about the under mentioned images. They are neither pictures from clip art or figures from shapes. These special symbols are not found even on your keyboard. Means these symbols which you can see here, they are not from the clip art and not figures from the shape. Means you can't find in the shape gallery also. And these you cannot find in the keyboard also, but you may need them in your document for some reason. But different types of symbols may be inserted in MS Word. Means we can insert these symbols. How we can insert? The following are the steps to add symbols. Place the cursor wherever you want to insert the symbols. Means wherever you want to insert the symbol, you can place the cursor there. Click the insert tab. You will click on the insert tab. You will click on symbol. If you will notice in your book, you will find this symbol option. From the symbols group, a list of symbols will appear. Select the symbol you require. You see the symbol inserted at the position of the cursor, means here it will be inserted. Okay, here you can find the symbols tab, and from there you can select symbols in your book. Please have a proper look in your book, and then you can insert symbol like this. Okay, this was how we can insert symbols. Now practice time. Insert the following symbols: pi, copyright sign, alpha. Insert the following objects from shapes and arrange them one over the other. Fill color as shown below. Group them together using the group option. Now try to move the picture and then ungroup them. So if you have system at your home, you can practice this part, and I'm sure once you will be able to, initially it may be a bit difficult, but once you will be able to do it, it will be very easy and very interesting for you. Then you can like in here a very nice figure is there, and you can use your own creativity for mixing the shapes and then coloring them. Okay, so try to do it, and now we will meet in the next period. Bye bye.